Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are here with a new topic, One Line Series Part 2. In this video, we will discuss magazines, books and their authors that were written during the freedom struggle movement. Let's begin. Tufat ul Muhaidin. It is written by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. It was originally written in Persian language. Obaidullah al-Obaid translated as A Gift of Monothesis in 1844 AD. Book written by Annie Besant, Commonwealth and New India. The memoirs titled Bapu, My Mother it was written by Manu Behan Gandhi. India Wins Freedom book is written by. It is an autobiography of Abdul Kalam Azad. Gita Rahesh, it is written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. India in Transition, this book is written by M.N. Roy. Gokhale, My Political Guru, this book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Discovery of India, this book is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Aurobindo Ghosh wrote The Life Divine and the Ideal of Human Unity. James Todd has written Feudalism in Rajasthan. The Vittal Vidvansak. It is written by the Gopal Baba Valnagakar in the year 1888. This book is written based on Untouchables. It was a monthly journal. It was originally written in Marathi language. Unhappy India. This book is written by Lala Lajpat Rai. Durgesh Nandani by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. India Wins Freedom. This book is written by Maulana Azad. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India is written by Dadabhai Naroji. Freedom at Midnight. This book is written by Larry Collins and Dominique Lapierre. India's From Curzon to Nehru and After was written by Durga Das. The Men Who Discovered India is written by Dr. Rafir Zakaria. Young India. This book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. The Story of Deportation. This book is written by Lala Lajpat Rai. A Nation in Making. This book is written by Surendra Nath Banerjee. Satyagraha. This book is written by Vinoba Bhave. Indian Struggle from 1920 to 1942. This book is written by Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian Unrest. This book is written by Valentine Chirol. Unhappy India. This book is written by Lala Lajpat Rai. Hind Swaraj. This book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Autobiographical writing. This book is written by Lala Lajpat Rai. Hindutva. This book is written by V.D. Savarkar. This book is written by Savarkar. Anasakti Yoga was translated by Gandhi ji. He completed his translation by staying at Kausani, which is located in Uttarakhand. History of the Freedom Movement in India was written by Tara Chand. Anand Math. This book is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Percept of Jesus. This book is written by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The Indian Musalmans. This book is written by W. Hunter. History of Freedom Movement in Bihar. This book is written by K.K. Datta. The Indian War of Independence. This book is written by Savarkar ji. The Sepoy Mutiny and the Revolt of 1857. This book is written by R.C. Mazumdar. Awadh in Revolt by Rudragansu Mukherjee. Civil Rebellion in the Indian Mutinies. This book is written by S.B. Chaudhary. 1857 The Great Rebellion. This book is written by Ashok Mehta. Al-Hilal. It is a Urdu weekly newspaper written and edited by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Tahzib-ul-Akhlaq, written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Towards Struggle. This book is written by Jai Prakash Narayan. Springing Tiger. This book is written by Hugh Toy. American Witness to India's Partition. This book is written by Philip Talbot. India Divide was written by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Springing Tiger is a biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. An Introduction to the Dreamland. This book is written by Bhagat Singh. Bandi Jeevan. This book is written by Sachindranath Sanyal. Why I Am Atheist. This book is written by Bhagat Singh. The Indian Sociologist. This book is written by Syamaji Krishna Verma. Dreamland. This book is written by Lala Ramsaran Das. The Philosophy of Bomb. This book is written by Bhagwati Charan Vohra. Annihilation of Caste. This book is written by Dr. Ambedkar. The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. This book is written by Louis Fischer. India from Curzon to Nehru and After. It is written by Durga Das. Ultimates of India's Partition written by the Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. The Bengali Newspaper. It is by Surendra Nath Banerjee. Bang Basi. This book is written by Jogendra Nath Bose. Amrit Bazar Patrika. It was by Motilal Ghosh. Lahore Proposal. It was by Fazal ul Haq. Pirpur Report. It was by Raj Mohammad Mehdi. People's Plan by M.N. Roy. Gandhian Plan by S.N. Agarwal. The Great Divide. Britain, India and Pakistan. This book is written by H.B. Hudson. Hind Swaraj. This book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Glimpses of World History written by Nehru ji. Gora. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Broken Wing. This book is written by Sarojini Naidu. The English edition of Gitanjali was published in which year? It was published in 1912. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded with Nobel Prize in the year 1913. National Anthem. Rabindranath Tagore translated the national anthem from Bengali to English. Location. It was Madnana Palais of Andhra Pradesh. Wheel of History. This book is written by Ram Manohar Lohia. India for Indians. This book is written by Chitranjan Das. Dilip Mukherjee wrote Terrorist. A Nation in Making. This book is written by S.N. Banerjee. Discovery of India. This book is written by Nehru ji. Freedom at Midnight by Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre. Foundation of Indian Culture. This book is written by Sri Aurobindo. Bahu Biwa. This book is written by Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Nil Darpan by Dinabandhu Mitra. Devi Chaudhrani. This book is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. This book is written by Munshi Premchand. Chandrakanta. This book is written by Devika Nandan Khatri. Wish and Amrit. This book is written by Amrit Lal Nagar. Chidamra. This book is written by Sumitra Nandan Path. Devdas. This book is written by Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Geet Govind. This book is written by Jaydev. Das Kapital. This book is written by Karl Marx. Thoughts on Pakistan and the Problem of Rupee. This book is written by Dr. Ambedkar ji. Servant of India. This book is written by R.K. Lakshman. Guard. It is a communist journal by M.N. Roy. Book associated with the rise of national movement in India is Anand Math. The novel Durgesh Nandani is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Author of Rajniti Ratnakar is Chandesh Shevra. Author of Kissa Radha Kanhaiya is Nawab Wazid Ali Shah. Anand Math is known as Bible of Bengali patriotism. Bande Matram is in Anand Math. Desar Katha by Sakharam Ganesh Doskar. This book warned against the colonial state and the conquest of mind. He has inspired from the ideas of Naroji and Ranade. The use of this by Doskar was in the specific contents of the region of Bengal. Mahatma Gandhi wrote his autobiography in Gujarati language. Chetavani Raj Chaugatia. This book is written by Kesari Singh Barahat. Hind Swaraj was written in which year? It was written in 1909. Bharat Durdasha. This book is written by Bharatendu Harishchandra. Andher Nagari Place was written by Bharatendu Harishchandra. Subramanian Bharti was the poet of which language? He was poet of Tamil language. Author of Bharat Bharti is Maithili Saran Gupta. Author of the play Ghasiram Kotwal is Vijay Tendulkar. The play Nawab is by Naveen Chandra Das based on the famine of Bengal. The book Prison Diary is written by Jayaprakash Narayan. A Passage to India, it is written by E.M. Forster. संस्कृति के 4 अध्याय, it is written by रामधारी सिंह दिनकर. The Long Terms Dynamic, it is written by Bipin Chandra. Mother India was written by Catherine Mayo. For today, this much only. Let's meet in next video with a new topic.